For the final time at home this year, let's make welcome your Caverna Cardinals. For the Cardinals of Caverna, starting in the guard is senior number 24, Russell Williams. Starting in the guard, he's a junior number 10, Cortavian Maxey. Starting in the guard, a junior number 3, Jalen Crane. Starting in a forward, he's a junior number 4, Tyson Martin. And starting it forward, he's a junior, number 2, Kenyon Martin. Caverna's head coach, Terrence Mao.
You know, we battled a lot of adversity at the beginning of the season. You know, stuff happened, you know, behind the scenes. But at the same time, you know, I talked to Jalen about this a few weeks ago. We was on our 6 or 7 game win streak. I said, hey, why we come play like this at the beginning of the season? He said, Coach, hey, that's how you finish at the end. You know, and our guys, you know, they're a resilient group. You know, they love each other, and they realize, hey, we're better than what our record says. So, you know, after all that, you know, they realize, hey, guys, we just got to start playing because we still got a lot to play for. You know, like, you know, All A is a middle of the season tournament, but our main goal is to try to make it to Lexington in a couple weeks.
We started off sloppy, like really sloppy. Then we got in the gym. I got these guys in after practice, before practice, work out every day, and it's proving, it's showing that all the work we put in now.
We had a couple of ejections, but we bounced back.
Hey, good job. Hey, it's been 20 years. Hey, it's been 20 years since Caverna has won the game in the region tournament. 20 years. Hey, you guys have made history. Hey, now, one is done. Now we gotta have a good week. Hey, we're gonna work out tomorrow, and then now if you got the rest of the schedule. Hey, guys, we still playing in March.
Another week.
Yeah. We still playing in March. Hey, guys, y'all know it's a long game. And at the same time, they felt confident coming out, but y'all listen, we showed why we're the better team. Hey, guys, I'm freaking proud of you guys. Hey, let's go get another one on next Monday.
Hey, 2 more to go, one at a time.
One at a time. Hey, let's go right there. Hey, one last thing. Hey, you know how everybody said in the preseason we were ranked number 10? Hey, we in the Final Four. Yes, let's go. Hey, family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
We came out pretty hard. You know, we knew the game plan before we even came here. We just played hard, get to the rim, because they can't hold us. That's it.
And we played at a high level, started like mid first quarter, but they hit 5 threes in the first quarter on us and told them, hey guys, yes, their shooting percentage just went high, but we got to guard better. So we figured out we could pressure them, and I told them in film on last Wednesday we could pressure them really well. It was just, when they realized, it's like, oh crap, let's go ahead and do it. Let's pressure them, and not ball pressure, especially on the defensive end, was special. It was great, Jalen, he started off slow, but he picked it up late, Russell Williams, he played a heck of a game. Tavion Maxey, he played a great game. Like the guys that played, they played at an all-time high level, and I'm proud of my guys.
It was a lot to, because we ain't been in the region in over 10 years, and to get a win, that's big. It's my last season with my guys, and I'm trying to go state.
Yeah, it's been over 20 years. Their last win came in 2005. 2005 in the region tournament. Actually, before we had breakfast this morning, I was doing research. Like I learned from my mentor, Bart Flater, this research and everything, and I spent the last 20 minutes before breakfast just looking at stuff, the history of Caverna basketball in the 5th region, and they had played a lot of games in the 5th region tournament, but went on the first round, so back in 2005, that was the last win. So I told the guys in there, hey, you guys made history. It's been 20 years since Caverna's playing the 2nd game in the region tournament.
Really put a chip on all of our shoulders to go out here and work hard and prove everybody wrong for real.
Disrespect.
Yeah, it's crazy. Dog. Every game come out, I tell him go hoop, because can't nobody miss him. He's the best guard in really the country, but he's definitely top guard in the state.
Really can't say nothing. You see how I perform. At first I wasn't making shots and then, so I was dishing it to the twins, Russ, let them eat. Then my game finally came to me.
Entering tonight's semifinal game with a 17-12 record, representing the 18th district, they will be your home team on the scoreboard tonight. Let's be the starters of the Colonels of Caverna. Turning it up guard, he's a senior, number 24, Russell Williams. Turning in the guard, he's a junior, number 10, Tavion Maxey. Turning in a guard, a junior, number 3, Jalen Crane. Turning in a forward, a junior, number 4, Tyson Martin. And starting in a forward, he's a junior, number 2, Kenyon Martin. The Caverna head coach, Terrence Miles.
When you get to this level, hey, throw records out the window. It's who wants it more.
Yeah.
it's a blessing, you know. It's my third year as an overall head coach. My first 2 years wasn't the greatest, but God brought me somewhere special, and said, hey, this is your time, to show everybody what kind of person you are, the kind of character you have as a coach, the kind of love you have for the kids, And this group right here, I've heard about them for years, but just being able to coach them and just be able to interact with them, like, this is a special group. Hey, we can still have more ball to play. A lot of people, they don't make it to the Final Four of their region. Now we're in the field of 64. 16 regions, now, hey, it's 4 teams left. So, we set the tone, like I told you, let's set the tone for what's going to be a special tournament.
You got support. Beginning of the year, we were sloppy, so nobody really came out to watch us. But now we putting on shows, so they're going to come watch us.
I agree.
Yeah, they realize, hey, it's like, hey, this is a special group, Hey, the fans were like, hey, you know what? I'm not going to just miss out on something special. We have the tools to do something special, and the fans hold this close. I looked at Jordan, I was like, hey, I love this, especially being in this atmosphere. Because the fans know how special this group is. Like, they've been following these kids, like our juniors, my only senior that plays, their whole lives. They know what we can do, and, appreciate the fans support.
Selected to the mid-region all-tournament team from Caverna, number 3, Jalen Crane. Also selected to the all-tournament team from Caverna, number 2, Kenyon Martin.